Frozen cars, Detroit flood, water main break chaos. Detroit's icy streets, submerged vehicles, water main failure. Broken water main, flooded streets, frozen Detroit cars. Water main burst, Detroit's flood, icy car graveyard. Submerged cars, Detroit's frozen landscape, water main woes. Detroit's flood aftermath, frozen cars, shattered pipes. Icy streets, flooded cars, Detroit water main disaster. Water main break, Detroit's flood, cars encased in ice. Frozen vehicles, Detroit flood, water main rupture. Detroit's flood damage, frozen cars, broken pipes. Massive water main break, Detroit flood, icy cars. Flooded streets, Detroit, frozen cars, winter's fury. Water main disaster, Detroit's frozen cars, flood damage. Frozen car scene, Detroit flood, broken water pipes. Detroit's icy grip, flooded streets, wrecked cars. Water main failure, Detroit's flood, cars trapped in ice. Cars frozen solid, Detroit's flood, water main problem. Severe water main break, Detroit's icy flood aftermath. Detroit flood photos, frozen cars, widespread damage. Icy cars submerged, Detroit's flood, water main crisis. Broken water pipes, Detroit flood, cars frozen solid. Extensive flood damage, Detroit, frozen cars, city woes. Detroit's water main, flood, frozen cars everywhere. Freezing temperatures, Detroit flood, cars encased in ice.